Exams are here, so let's use ChatGPT to help us study. Now, the great thing about ChatGPT is we can have it create some study questions for us. So let's start with a book here. This one is called The Concepts of Biology. You can put whatever book you want into ChatGPT. Majority of the times it will already have a copy of it, but to make it a little bit more accurate, you can put the title like I just have here, along with the authors and the edition, just to make sure that ChatGPT has the right book. Now, what we're going to do is say, please give me, let's go with 10 questions on the book, Concepts of Biology, for Chapter 1. We're going to hit enter. What ChatGPT will do, it will look through the contents of this book, look through the concepts of Chapter 1, and it will give you the study questions that should help you pass these exams. Now, they have a perfect follow-up question here, which is if you would rather have these study questions printed, it can export it for you, but you would need to have ChatGPT Plus. I do have ChatGPT Plus, so let's go ahead and let it export to Microsoft Word. And it will take the contents here and it would put it into a Word document for you. And then you just download it and you can go ahead and print it off. And there you go. So hope this helps. Happy studying.